Morning, Felicia. Okay, let me show you what you're doing wrong. When you see all these errors in this keystroking, okay, when you see all this keystroking, this is what I'm going to grade by. Temp 16, that's a frustration point. Okay, in Canvas, you need to look at what the errors mean. Okay, so after you finish these, go here to Details. Okay, scroll down and look at here. They tell you what the errors are. So if you look in the book, this New York City, it's capital C. Okay, and you forgot the word your. Excuse me, sorry, I've been under the weather. All right. So then you go down here to Portland State University. All right, period. Should probably have a space in there. All right. Right here, I checked your document. Right here, all you have to do is hit enter. When it says a new paragraph, make sure you leave paragraphs here. All right. Like in this one, all it is a space. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? Equipment. Again, you probably forgot a word here. Probably forgot the word here. All right. Tours. Okay. Again, the paragraph, like I showed you. Apple, it, space. Okay. So, probably doing 16 attempts, excuse me, 16 attempts is really frustration point. Let me scroll down here. Yeah, see, I don't know. After attempt 1, I would have gone in and looked at, and see, it tells you right here, insertion area, omission area, and misstroke. I would have gone in and looked and seen. You have to proofread these. Okay? Yeah, it looks like it's the same thing. So your printed edition may be missing these words. I don't know, but it seems like you have the same one. Right? Okay? Don't put this extra paragraph in here. Alright? I think the blue. It's been a while since I've worked in this insertion error. Yeah, so don't put that, excuse my sniffles, that in there. Alright? You can also go to the reference manual, right, where it says here, go to Word and reference manual and look at the letters, the reference manual, and then look at the various letters that it tells you. Okay, what is this? This is a personal business letter and modified. Okay, so you're going to look for it. Excuse me. Personal letter, multi-page business letter, email. Let's see, R3D. Let's see, business letter, R3D. Okay, so it's R3D. This is what your letter should look like. Ignore the international address, right? Okay, so I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything else. All right.